How to import your wallet into Trust Wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, MetaMask, and today I'll guide you on how you can import your wallet into Trust Wallet. Well, the process itself is pretty simple. First things first, you want to get the recovery phrase code or the security code for the particular wallet that you wish to add or import to your Trust Wallet. For instance, if you want to add your OKX Wallet or Trust Wallet, or the MetaMask wallet here, you can simply open up MetaMask, log into your account. Once you're logged in, you want to simply get the recovery phrase. So you can head into settings and you can see security and privacy. Under it, you should be able to find the private key or the security phrase. For now, I haven't packed it up, but you should be able to find it right here. You can enter in the password and view it. Once you have viewed it and once you have it, once you copy it, then you can simply open up Trust Wallet. Once you open up Trust Wallet, next thing what you want to do is you can simply tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top left corner of the screen. Once you tap on it, you'll find the wallets option at the very top. On the settings, you want to tap on it, and then here you can see I have one wallet, but if you want to add wallet, tap on the plus icon at the top right corner. Once you have done so, you'll get the option to either create new wallet or add existing wallet. Tap on add existing wallet, and now here you can choose the secret phrase option, enter in your secret phrase, and then you can go ahead and add it easily. However, if you want to add via Swift, you can tap on use Face ID or fingerprint, or if you have backed up your recovery phrase on Google Drive backup, you can use it, the option, or you can use the view only wallet option. So this is how you can import your wallet into Trust Wallet. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.